Champ won.
Hang on. Let me time it. Go right, kid. Go right. Nose up. Go.
Look at your opponent, Vic.
Don't be scared. Fuck him up. Stop looking down, champ. "30 seconds.
Come on, kids. I know you can do better than that.
You know, I'm getting tired just watching them.
15 seconds. Unload on him. You're trying to win, right? Unload on him. Load on him. Go. 10 seconds. 9, 8.